Tatlong araw po yung impeachment trial regarding confidential funds. And based on the analysis review, it's Attorney Lorna Capunan's masterclass. Reaction, please. It's Attorney Lorna Capunan's masterclass based on the mga reaction and feedback.
No, thank you for being kind. Hindi naman masterclass yan. Ang feeling ko lang, after several years, kasi I'm probably double, lalong-lalo na yung lawyer kanina, no? I'm probably old enough to be her grandmother. Di ba? So, sana gusto ko nga pagbigyan kasi syempre first time niya mag-appear. Kanya yung inargue niya na hindi sila nag-file down ng pleading para ng comment dito sa judicial notice. Pero mag-argue na lang sila. Ang gina-argue naman, binasa naman yung pleading. Sana final na lang niya, no? But I understand that. For instance, pag ganyan, alam mo na kung matagal ka na sa practice, walang nakikinig sa ganyan. And as you can see, it would have been better for her to have just filed the pleading. In any event, it's not it's not a master class. It's just that sanay na tayo eh. It is experience. But again, I will always say, even with 48 years of experience, there is no substitute for preparation. Kung makita nyo lang kung gaano mag-prepare ang public tsaka private prosecutors, buti na lang, binibigyan kami ng pagkain, breakfast, noon, and night, no? Kasi kami naman, volunteer. That is actual preparation. Si Kong Joel nga, kasama niyang matulog yung rules of court niya. Ayan, gano'n yung rules of court, no? Kasama, pag tinanong mo siya ngayon, Kong Joel, ano ba yung Rule 130 on unadmissibility? Aba, sasabihin niya sa inyo. Kasi minemorize niya yan. That is why it comes. It comes naturally. It comes with this level of confidence. Hindi uwido to. Hindi tayo nag-uuwido. Nag-aaral tayo at ini-evaluate rin natin kung paano i-present ang evidence. Lalong-lalo na voluminous documents. My own standard is myself. I am the judge of myself. If I am there in the audience and I am bored, that means I'm not doing it right. I am my own judge. Kunyari, kung ganitong argument, kung mabobore ako. So that is my guideline. At saka pag nakita ko itong mga katabi ko na nagsi-cellphone na ganyan. Pag makita mo yung mga senator judges na kunyari nakikinig na ganyan pero nagsi-cellphone na ganyan, ay change gear ka na. Mag-corrective ka na, mag-corrective measures ka na. That means you're not interesting, you're not communicating, or it is too long. As I said when I made my first manifestation, I said, know two things. Know when to present and not to present. Paikliin ang presentation and know when to stop. Yon. Some of us don't know when to stop. And I will not name these senator judges.
Sir, sa side ng prosecution, assessment po kay Attorney Lorna Capunan, Kong Zia and Kong Joel. Maraming salamat po.
Ako, I'm very fortunate to have worked with legal luminaries like Attorney Capunan. Dati pinanonood ko lang to sa TV. Nung naka-short pants ako, Lorna Capunan na to eh. Diba? So,
Excuse me, bumusi na kayo. Ilang taong ka nun?
ibig sabihin, siyempre marami kang matututunan. So kaya naman ganun din yung mga nagiging performance namin is because din sa kanila. they're giving us tips. Yun nga, sabi ko nga, iilan na lang ngayon talaga mga sikat na abogado eh. So, swerte ako na nakasama ko ang isang Lorna Kapunan. Tsaka nakita niyo naman, di ba? Siya lang ang nakakagawa ng mga pinagagawa niya doon. Wala may kayang gumawa sa amin noon.
Well, inspiration naman talaga si Tita Lorna. Tama nga, sorry Tita Lorna, talagang pinapanood kita nung dati na ano. Tapos having you here, seated beside Attorney Lorna Kapunan is in itself an honor, no? She's an inspiration. But beyond that, I think the public's reception doon sa pag-present ni Attorney Kapunan reflects hindi lang yung trabaho niya, but her commitment to deliver and to pursue what is good for the country. Kasi maski gaano ka kagaling na abogado, but if you don't really believe in what you do, hindi yon automatically maiintindihan at ma-identify ng taong bayan sa'yo. Secondly, yung pinaglalaban ni kanina, sinabi ko, hindi nila, ang prosecution, hindi naman talaga ito nila gusto. Pero alam nila ito ang tamang gawin. So, yung sinasabi nilang masterclass, tama naman, masterclass, humble lang si Tita Lorna, ayaw lang niya i-admit. Pero, nangangahulugan talaga nito na yung na-identify ng taong bayan kung ano yung pinaglalaban ng prosecution, ay ito yung katotohanan. That's the most important message coming from the public's reception. Kasi, yung trabaho na ginagawa in the way Attorney Kapunan presented the witnesses reflects not only her skills and her experience in law profession, but her commitment for the cause of public good, her commitment to really promote accountability and transparency. And it's just been known for the longest time doon sa ganong klaseng advocacy. That's why she is an inspiration to many of us. At pangalawa, I think the public wants to continuously give in to her temptations. Yan po ang gusto ng publiko.
Sandali na. This is beginning to sound like a eulogy. Buhay pa ho ako. Buhay pa. So, and in any event, the good thing about presenting it the good thing about presenting it in a manner or studying how to present it in a manner is you engage the public. Alam mo, katakot-takot, nag-detect sa akin na nagsasabing, Attorney, sabihin niyo nga na itong kasamang pangalan na ito, Gina Hasa. Oh, kasama tong pangalan na ito. Ano pang mga, Maluwang. Di ba? Ang daming mga nagvo-volunteer. What does it mean? That means that they're listening. That means that naiintindihan nila na lokohan ito. Na one day, meron pa kaming bukas, sasabihin ko sa'yo, meron pa kaming listahan, parang fruit salad. Kasi ang mga pangalan, may keso, may mangga, may ganyan. Parang yung nag-isip ng pangalan, nakaupo sa table niya ng lunchtime, ang pagkain niya ay fruit salad. So, nung sinabi siya, nako, may 15-day deadline kami para mag-submit ng mga, kasi 15-day deadline ang binigay ng COA. Meron kaming 15-day deadline na mag-submit ng mga dokumento, acknowledgement receipts. Teka nga, okay. Aba, masarap itong mangga. O, masarap itong keso. Aba, so may pangalang keso ang apelyido. Meron ding mangga. Ay, meron. Kanya, pag nakita nyo, isang set ng parang pang fruit salad. Yung piatos naman, siguro dumaan ng mall, siningit niya. Siningit niya yung, imbis na nasa opisina, nanood ng sine, bumili ng Mary Grace Piatos para ibaon sa sinehan. Hinahanap siya ngayon ng opisina niya, mag-produce siya ng listahan. Anong ginawa niya? Mary Grace Piatos. Ay, kulang pa. Mary Grace Piatos. Tapos, 3 piatos ata yun eh. Di ba? Yun. No, I'm just dramatizing that this is the way the public, ganito ang iniisip ng publiko. And that's why it means na effective ang message ng prosecution. Kung ganyan, kalokohan ng mga pangalan, wag na nating sabihing alias, kasi sasabihin nila, mga mayayabang ang mga lawyers, sasabihin nila, it can be argued that aliases are allowed under the guidelines. Oy, teka, hindi naman alias ito. Ito ay pwedeng alias, no? But these really are fictional names. Magugulat ng mga senador pag nakita nila yung mga pangalan nila dyan. Kanya excited ako mag-present. Merong ngang isang Joel Chua doon, hindi lang niya alam. Papakita rin namin yon. Parang Joel. Meron talaga Joel. Yung sa'yo, mahirap kasi spelling yung sa'yo, sabi nila.